Take a look at this, a living planet with nearly 8 billion people, countless stories, and a rhythm that never stops. We live in the most connected era in history, yet somehow it's never been harder to truly feel how the world feels. If you want to understand a nation's mood, its struggles, its hopes, you open 10 tabs, read conflicting headlines, and hope you've pieced together the truth. That frustration, that desire to see the world's heartbeat in one glance is what inspired me to build WorldPulse. It doesn't just collect data, it listens to the world, condensing millions of voices and reports into one clear signal, the pulse of the planet. Now, as soon as we enter the link, we come across a beautiful homepage, WorldPulse, the Global Sentiment Intelligence. Without further ado, let's enter World. Now, let's run a live analysis. Say I'm researching education around the world. I type education and press analyze. And WorldPulse goes to work. It scans reports, news, and public data powered by Google Gemini to translate that global noise into structured sentiment. Within seconds, the entire globe lights up. Now the globe lights up 4 different colors: green for optimism, orange and yellow for uncertainty, and red for crisis. Now let's compare 2 nations with very different realities, Finland and Ukraine. We'll wait for the globe to get ready. It will stay ready over here. In the meantime, we can even take a look around the globe by just moving our cursor. The globe dynamically lights up as the data is being reached. And we are ready. Now let's search Finland in this search bar here. Press go and it brings us straight to Finland. Now Finland is colored green, so it must have a strong positive value on education. Let's click on Finland. Finland has a score of 0.85. Finland's education system is highly regarded globally for its quality, equity, and a student-centered approach. It continues to prioritize teachers' professionalism and holistic development, consistently achieving strong outcomes in international assessments. Now, on the other hand, let's search Ukraine. Press go, it'll bring us straight to Ukraine. Ukraine is colored red and has a value of negative 0.70. Now in the data summary, it says that war severely disrupts Ukraine's education system with infrastructure damage, displacement, and reliance on remote learning. Challenges in SS quality and psychological support persist amidst ongoing conflict. Now this instant data-driven contrast is what makes WorldPulse powerful. Context and clarity in seconds. Now researchers can even bookmark topics at this star logo here and can track countries and build a personalized data trail, perfect for academic or policy work. Now let's go behind the scenes. I built a JSON prompt in Vertex AI Studio. I sent it to Gemini, and Gemini returns structured JSON, not just text, so I can color the globe directly. Now this function called Gemini API is the resilience layer for our Gemini API integration. It's engineered for maximum uptime by employing both a model fallback loop, the model candidates, and a reliable retry mechanism with exponential backoff. Now if the initial model or request fails, the system pauses and automatically attempts the requests again, then moves to the next model candidate, ensuring that I always get a response. Finally, it enforces data integrity by performing deep validation on the returned JSON structure and using JSON.loads to guarantee the output is a clean, structured object ready for processing and not just raw text. This is just the beginning. Next, WorldPulse will expand to all 195 countries with trend graphs, timeline visuals, and even predictive models, showing how sentiment evolves through history.
WorldPulse is not just an app, it's humanity's shared heartbeat, visualized. Thank you.